Hi, hello, and welcome to my channel. So today we are going to see about acute condition and as well as chronic. So how to use batch flower remedies for acute and chronic. So first, let us understand what is acute and what is chronic. So acute symptoms, acute problems are something which you have within a week. So you have cold or you have some injury within a week and you're consulting the doctor. So these conditions are acute. So these are minor conditions. These are minor problems. So for this, the prescription of back flower remedies would be 3 doses per day for the next 3 days. So you can remember easily 3 doses for the day for the next 3 days. So this is for acute. So for chronic, so something which has been there for months or years. So some people will have depression or some kind of elements for several years. So those people should take the remedies 3 doses per day for the next 1 month. So you can remember easily 3 doses for the day for the next 30 days. So you have to repeat the same process for the next 30 days. So still if you are not feeling better, you have to continue it for the next 90 days, next 3 months. So this thing will help you to remember easily what is the dosage given for any age group. So kids below 5 years of age, you can avoid this thing. You can just follow this for kids above the age of 5 years. So if you have any doubts, you can just ask me, and if you want to check out the batch